Madison Beer is being accused of performance activism after DMs with a photographer leaked who appeared to suggest the photos he took of her were planned. Now Madison Beer has come forward to defend herself. I got the tea and I'm gonna spill it here for you on IO. What is gravy, fam? You guys are watching IO. I'm Charlotte, here to tell you what's trending on the internet. Subscribe for spicy trending news updates and top 10 lists, and follow the IO team on social media. Madison Beer has used her platform to show her support for Black Lives Matter. She's urged her followers to sign petitions, she's shared resources and encouraged her followers to get involved. Not only that, she's actually gone to the protests in person to show her support, which is something not all celebrities would risk doing, you know, cause like riots and pandemic. So while at the protests in Los Angeles, a photographer with the handle Josh Visions took photos of her while she was on top of a car holding a sign that said, "No freedom until we are equal." The photos turned out good and they definitely looked professional, probably because Josh is a photographer who has photographed other celebrities like Justin Bieber and Kendall Jenner. The photographer then shared photos of Madison at the protests, and then videos from the day were shared that made it look like a photo shoot, and people started accusing her of performance activism. Here is a tweet. Of course Madison Beer had to use this opportunity for a photo op. LMAO, this is what we call performance activism. The Paps didn't catch Ariana at the protest, who is an A-list celeb, but Madison Beer wants us to believe they miraculously found her and started taking pics? Okay. If Madison Beer actually cared for the Black Lives Matter movement and not attention, she wouldn't have called a photographer to take pictures of her holding up signs. I haven't seen any celebrities do this and it's so weird. So obviously this looks pretty shady. Using the protest for clout is something that's kind of frowned upon. So people started reaching out to the photographer to ask him flat out if the photo shoot was planned. Here is the DM conversation. The photographer says, "Why does it matter so much if it was planned or not?" The person then explains why it would be wrong for the photo shoot to be planned, to which the photographer said, "Okay, it was planned, so what?" So this was pretty much like the smoking gun. Why would the photographer say that the photo shoot was planned when it wasn't? Madison Beer caught wind of the rumors and responded on Twitter. "I did not lie. This photographer is spreading unclear information about me. These are our messages. I will not allow anyone to make me protesting day after day into something it is not. I am out here for one reason and one reason only. I will not allow it to be spun into something it never was." And these are the DM conversations between her and the photographer shot by Josh. "Hi, people are claiming that I hired you to take photos of me and that I staged a photo shoot. As you clearly know, this is wildly untrue, and if you saw me, I was out protesting for hours. If you can please post something clearing this up, it would be appreciated. If you can please do it ASAP, people are really running with this ridiculous idea. Please clear this up now. Like now. To which the photographer said, "I'm not sure why people think that when it's clearly not true. I'll make a post to clear this up. Sorry about that. I'm sorry I got you into this. I was contacted by a lot of people yesterday and media outlets who wanted to know the truth, and even when I just ignored them, they just kept sending me messages. I was frustrated, that's why I reposted like that." I think he meant responded. "She only posted part of the messages and not the whole thing. I'm not responding to any more messages." So Madison responds and says, "But why did you say it was set up? You said, okay, it was planned, so what? And now they literally all think I lied. Like, this is actually insane. I was being sarcastic and I was just fed up from having to reply to a lot of people and media outlets sending me all these messages and wanting to buy videos, etc. She only posted that part and not the whole part. This is new to me. I'm sorry this is happening." So there were a lot of people who came to Madison's defense, adding that she was tear gassed like everybody else at the protest. Madison also warned everyone on Twitter that peaceful protesters in Santa Monica were being tear gassed. Here's a tweet. "Completely false rumors. I ran into Madison as well 2 days ago in Santa Monica, as I was also there documenting what is going on. I was standing next to her as she was tear gassed. She's been out fighting for this since it started. Don't believe everything you read." Madison was also on Instagram Live when she was tear gassed.
"Santa Monica, please leave now. They're tear gassing everything everywhere. I was just tear gassed and I can't breathe. And everyone is like, please, if you're at Santa Monica and you're at the riots, please go home."
And then people actually went and said that she and other protesters deserve to be tear gassed, when they absolutely do not. Peaceful protests should not incite violence from police, and there's never an excuse for that. We have the right to protest in our society, and that right has been called into question over the last few weeks. Honestly, I feel kind of bad for Madison. I honestly thought that she was trying to do a good thing and people are just kind of twisting it. She's fighting for something that she believes in, which is more than many other celebrities with large platforms are doing. People would be pissed at her if she didn't speak up, and now that she's speaking up, people are accusing her of being insincere. She gets a lot of hate and it's upsetting to see, and as far as I can tell, she's just like existing and trying to do the right thing. Give her a break, dude. And that is the tea, okay? That's the tea. Give her a break. For now, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comments from our last video about Madison Beer. Agnes said, "It's the internet, she's doomed, whatever she says, because someone will find something to criticize." Ah yes? Yes, you hit the nail right on the head there, darling. Charles said, "Just because Madison is beautiful doesn't mean you are not. Say it louder for the people in the back." Luigi said, "She's got the right to talk about anything she wants at any time she feels like it. I know that there are more important things happening right now, still she has that right." The same statement goes to people attacking her. If there are more important things to think about, why do you care enough to attack her? There's another nail hit on the head. Just bam, bam, like a whack-a-mole. Alright, that is it for this one. As always, tell me your thoughts down in the comments. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you guys next time. What's gravy, fam? You guys are watching IO. I'm Charlotte, here to tell you what's trending on the internet. Subscribe for subscribe. I should just cut it there.